find if I get all the excess paint stripper off, it doesn't clog the sander up. The sanding pad is quick, so you can get more out of it, and plus you can see what you've done. Alright, to scrape the paint stripper off, I've still left a bit on there. It might do a little bit more just while I go give the other side another sand, and then I'll come back and sand that, and hopefully the paint stripper just makes it easier to take that paint off with the sander now. 80 grit. Concentrate a lot up here, because there seems to be some pretty heavy duty patina up here. Yes. Showing some character there. So now, I'll go back over this side, clean off that paint stripper, which I don't think has done much else, and I might hit the old sander on that side. Got a bit off, kind of happy with it. Got a combination of the sander with 80 grit and the paint stripper, the chrome strip automotive paint stripper seems to work better than the other ones I've tried. But who knows? No doubt there's a better one out there. Oh yeah, a bit of, so yeah, was that fender up there? Get off this rear. It's hard to bloody tell. You don't think you got much off, but maybe if I put a before or after picture. Yeah, I'll look at the back.